and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. FC Goa plays tough with Athletico De Kolkata. Half-time pass, there was no goal. Goa finishes in a draw with Kolkata. Second leg of semi-final at Fathoda, Goa fans furious as tickets sell out in early hours. Furious crowd burns ISL board at Fathoda, scene tense at Panji too. Police intervene. MLAs and minister yet to repay Brazil junket dues. 6 months pass, junket legislators seek weeks' time to repay. SAG sends reminders for due repayment. Congress Chintan Shabir slams BJP for being aggressive in promises. Fast in U-turns, weak in governance, issues charge sheet, blames media for anti-Congress publicity. Now the news in detail. FC Goa played tough with Athletico De Kolkata. Half-time pass, there was no goal. FC Goa finishes in a draw with Kolkata. Second leg of semi-final between FC Goa and Kolkata is scheduled on Wednesday at Fathoda. Die-hard fans of Goa are furious as the ISL tickets are not available. Tickets were sold out in the morning hours of the first 2 days. People were seen queuing up in wee hours of Sunday at Fathoda and also in Panji. Furious fans burnt ISL board at Fathoda Stadium. Scene was almost the same at SAG in Panji.
Play. Gabalia. Santos again, just a little touch, but he plays the 1-2 with Lepichka. Possibility here for Goa. Strong play from him. And again, another wonderful opportunity which is spurned by Romeo. Set pieces could be very important for Kolkata. Podi's delivery. And Goa now will look to break.
Second leg of semi-final between FC Goa and Kolkata will be played at Fathoda Stadium on Wednesday. ISL had declared the tickets would be available at Fathoda Stadium and at SAG in Panji on Saturday and Sunday. However, ticket quota was over in the morning hours of Saturday. On Sunday was the same scene. Tickets were sold out within an hour. People were standing in queue since 3 in the morning. Furious fans of Goa team burned the ISL boards at Fathoda Stadium. In Panji too, the situation was tense at the SAG. Police intervened to control the situation.
सकाळ थोडे 3 आले 4 आले लाईन उभे राहिले हम एक तिकीट पासून हम दॅट मी तिकीट होऊन गेले ते कोणाचं
ओपन काउंटर ओपन जाणं सांगते पण मला सेल झालं तिकीट नाही पण दॅट व्हाय दिस पीपल आर सेइंग दिस आम लोग हम बेकार आहे जेवण खाणं सामान येऊ पाकू यू बेटर टू स्टॉप दिस गेम नाउ हियर टू शिफ्ट दॅट व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम हियर समवेअर एल्स
ऑनलाइन पासून आहे घराको सांगले ऑनलाइन चेक कर मग 8 to 11 पासून ट्राय कर 11 o'clock माझ्या साइट ओपन झाल्या माय बोथ
Kutturi MLA Alex Regional has demanded big screens for public viewing of ISL matches.
There is one option available to the government. I have requested the government to come here. I have requested the collector to come here and put some mega screen or something at least for arrangement of some people.
Online tickets were also sold out. Fans are annoyed with the way the things are managed. People say if there are no tickets, then why are the matches scheduled in Goa? Some overreacted saying ISL should not be held in Goa. Reporter Savio Dias with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
MLAs and minister who have been for a Brazil junket are yet to repay their expenses to the SAG. It's almost 6 months, but Avetano Furtado, Benjamin Silva, Carlos Almeida and Glenn Ticklow are due to pay almost 50 lakhs. Prudent questioned all 4 on the due payments. Each of them have a different take. That too without a guilty feel. Sources in SAG say the junket legislators have sought weeks' time to repay the dues. The Brazil trip cost 89 lakhs to the state treasury.
3 MLAs and a minister had been on a Brazil World Cup football trip in the month of June to July. The Brazil junket was at the cost of the government. The issue rocked in the national media too. Taking cognizance of the controversy, government had asked Avertan Furtado, Benjamin Silva, Carlos Almeida and Glenn Ticklow to repay the trip expenses. But it's been 6 months. The legislators have just paid 2 to 3 lakhs to government. When questioned, This was their reply.
अरे हमें पेमेंट ऑलरेडी क्या लगे चेक भी ऑलरेडी दिला में क्या ना दिला मरे क्या ना चेक भी दिला मरे they given check now if the department sleeping they what they supposed to do now we all I know as far as all the MLAs given the checks what are there सरकार के पैसे they in fact on the contrary they had only told us to go we give a report and finally बाबा दालम is they are paying मन सांगले
एक wrong news से आय की था ते प्रोसीजर केला that's why तकला मका तो चेक करून पडते किती रिपोर्ट याला डॉक्युमेंटेशन फुल डॉक्युमेंट दाखवतो का मुझे किती हाते
Sources in SAG said reminders have been sent to all 4 junket legislators. It is known that they have asked for a week's time for repayment. However, contrary glance claims none of the MLAs have given checks to the department. Government had funded around 89 lakhs for the trip. Even if all the 4 MLAs pay 14 lakhs each, total spent money will not be refunded. Agency had also booked tickets and hotel accommodation for ministers Milind Naik and Ramesh Thawarkar. However, they cancelled the trip following controversy over the trip. But agency will not refund entire money to the government. As per sources, if agency doesn't refund total money spent for booking, then both ministers might have to bear their share of expenses. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress has slammed BJP-led government for being aggressive in promises, fast in U-turns and quick and weak in governance. Congress issued a charge sheet against the government on concluding day of 2 days Chintan Shibir. GPCC has accused government of using public money to promote Hindutva. GPCC President Luisino Falero said, Goan media needs intense introspection and the national media is biased. Congress Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh cautioned that the social media is dangerous.
What was the genesis of Muzaffarnagar riots in UP? Some mischievous person posted a video clip of Talibanis misbehaving with women. In Pune, someone posted on social media disparaging remarks about Shivaji, and an innocent Muslim was killed. So therefore, there is an urgent need to look into the possibilities of creating mischief through the internet and social media. I feel that some things are blown out of proportion and some very important news are blacked out. So this is for media to look at. I am not suggesting that we lost the election only because of media. BJP is working according to a plan to polarize the country on religious lines. They had promised development, revival of the economy. What has happened? Mr. Narendra Modi himself had said that we will bring the black money within 100 days and given an amount of say about 400 lakh crores stashed outside. Where is the promise of revival of the economy of Mr. Modi?
I think for the first time since liberation of Goa, the financial position of the state has come to such a situation. Total collapse of the economy. The mining sector is in the doldrums. What is very going successfully here is drugs, casino, gambling, prostitution, child abuse, law and order.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.